So I'm making this super crank and jerk beat, right? It's really hard to do on a medicine ball, but you get the point. It's that 5. So what I want now is to make the kick stand out more. So I'm going to sidechain the kick. Sidechaining a kick is super easy. You just need to understand that sidechaining a kick is not taking your kick and right click, sidechain to this track, boom, kick sidechain. Nah, that's not how it works, bro. One of my homies did that and I was on his ass the other day. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take all 7 of my melody layers. Now I'm going to right click and route to this track only. As you will see, this track has a fruity limiter on it. So now I'm going to take my kick, which I always have on number 9. I click and sidechain to this track that has the limiter on it that's connected or routed all of my melody layers. So now I'm going to take the limiter and I'm going to open the sidechain portion by right clicking, and I'm going to click on the kick. So what will now happen is every time the kick initiates, it will compress the melodies. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the threshold and lower it to the average bottom of the troughs in my melody. I'm gonna take my knee and just kind of mess with it. So I felt like that was good. The knee started coming down, right? You started seeing the purple dip, and then the ratio increases how much depth. So the knee is kind of like where it starts at, and the ratio is like how far it goes from there. So you don't want too much, because eventually you'll start hearing the ducking, and that's not what you want. Like how you can like whoop, well, you feel it. So that's not what we want. It's just right here in the sweet spot. And now, before and after. Before, after. That's all there is to it. It's 2024 and I still gotta tell these niggas to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Is you serious? Like, look me in my eyes. Like, you're telling me that we still have to do this? Like, we haven't been around the block and done this a couple times yet? For real?